The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) on Thursday deployed bomb detectors to the Federal High Court in Abuja ahead of resumption of trial of former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello on alleged money laundering. The bomb detectors, who were accompanied by other fully armed operatives of the commission, did not allow anyone, including staff of the court, to enter the courtroom until a thorough search for possible explosive items had been conducted. Reports revealed that the security operatives arrived at the court premises as early as 7:30 a.m. in various brands of vehicles and swiftly took over security of the court complex from the main gate. At the entrance of the court 8, where the trial is to be conducted, lawyers to the federal government and the former governor were politely told to exercise patience for routine security to be carried out. At the end of the search, the courtroom was opened for only those who had matters in the courtroom. As of the time of this report, Yahaya Bello, dressed in his usual white abanriga with multiple color cap to match, had entered the courtroom waiting for proceedings to begin. It will be recalled that the Federal High Court in Abuja had on Friday, December 13, 2024, granted Bello bail in the sum of 500 million naira with two sureties in like sum. He has since been coming to court for trial from his house. However, the reasons for the EFCC action could not be immediately ascertained, but we'll continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.